how to register WorldRemit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can register on WorldRemit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to register on WorldRemit, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go to worldremit.com and then you will see this type of interface. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. If you look on the top right hand side and then you want to create or register to WorldRemit, here you will find a sign up button. Make sure to just go ahead and click on the sign up option from the top right hand side. As you do that, first of all, just select from which your country you're trying to send the money from, and once you select a specific country over here, let's say, you can simply select an email as well as also a password that you would like to use for your WorldRemit account. Once you've done that, just agree to the terms and conditions over here. If you have a referral code, you can enter that as well, and then just click the continue option. Once it's done that, it's going to ask you for a couple of other details, such as whether you'd like to verify your email or not. So go ahead and then verify your email and your WorldRemit account will get successfully registered. This way you'll be able to register on WorldRemit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.